All right, what's up, guys? CMY Pokemon Slinger back. We got a Walgreens find. I did score about 20 other, not these, but the Tupac pin blister packs with the Evolving Skies in them, so that would be pretty cool. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to that channel quickly, please. And make sure when you comment on it, make sure you do hashtag or you actually like comment. Don't just like leave a letter like a lot of people have been doing. So that does help. I appreciate everyone. We are up to 605, so that's a pretty quick time up to that. But yeah, we're gonna rip into this thing. So here we go. Let's see what we get. Fusion Strike, Brilliant Stars, Astral Radiance, and Crown Zenith. We'll save that for the best. We'll go with the Astral Radiance first. Our code card is an Orbeetle, or our, rare card that they put in there. Astral Radiance. Legends of Time and Space take charge. Hope everybody had a wonderful Friday. Today is Friday. Enjoy it. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Alright, here we go. We got Shieldon, Celine, Perugly, Nickit, Togepi, Chatot, Magnemite, Teddiursa, Pillow-Swine, and a Darkrai V. Alright, we hit. I'll take it. Better than nothing. Darkrai V. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Alright, next up. Fusion Strike! Alright, so we got Energy, Zoroark, Simpure, Metapod, Shelter, Caterpie, Drillbur, Shinx, Bunnyary, Gligar, and a Galarian Obstagoon. Holo. Alright, we got Brilliant Stars up next. Brilliant Stars up next. I kind of like these little packs because it's a random, like, you know what I mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, give us something, baby. Metal Energy, Weevil. Seeing something, guys. Kindler, Cafe Master, Snorunt, Clink, Dedenne, Chubchoo. We got Duskull, and we got let's go, Rainbow. Oh, yes. Arceus, V-Star, Secret Rare. Let's freaking go, boy. Out of that Brilliant Stars. Boom, boom. Nice fire right there. Beautiful pickup, well worth the pack. Condition. Looking pretty crispy. Solid 9. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, let's see if we can hit on our last pack magic of Crown Zenith. Let's go. Let's go. Could be a banger. Come on, give us something, guys. What do you think? Comment down below if you think we're gonna hit right here. Here we go. Energy. Crushing Hammer. We got Ultra Ball, Electric, Pawniard, Tangela, Baltoy, Galarian Meowth, Wailmer. Give us some last pack magic. Oh, look at that. Oh, snap. All art and a double banger. Let's go. Oh, check that out. That's nasty. We got the set cards, Aurora VMAX, and the Zamazenta alt art. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, what about that for last pack magic? Let's go, another banger. So I just pulled this out of a 3-pack blister, guys. Check that out. Wow, insane. Hope everybody enjoyed that opening. And yeah, check in soon. Peace. Wow.